Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sec Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to a hidden network that's not showing up on your Nintendo Switch. So you can go to System Settings right here and select this. Scroll on down to Internet, and go to the right and go to Internet Settings. Then under this list, it says Search for Networks. If it doesn't show up under the networks found, we could go all the way down to the bottom and go to Manual Setup. We're going to need some information. So you're going to want to go to where your router is and get the network name and then enter it in exactly how it is on your router. And then the SSID. You want to go ahead and type in your code for that right there as well. And then type in the correct security. So whatever it is for your network. So you might need to look at your network on a different device to kind of get all this information as well if it's not located on the router itself. Sometimes if you flip over the router, it'll give you all the information about it. But if not, you're going to have to just find it on another device like your phone. So if you have everything connected, you can go to save right here, and then hopefully you would be able to connect to it. If you're not able to connect, you could always try changing up the router settings and then seeing if you can go ahead and just get it to show up under the networks found. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.